Did you know that in 1977, chili was made the state food of Texas to show that the only real bowl of chili is made by Texans? My dad is from Texas, and chili is my favorite dish, and as so, I have made and eaten a lot of it. Most of you eat 3 meals a day, every day, and have experienced the cold and harsh fall and winter of Minnesota, so chili is the perfect food for you to enjoy. I'm here to demonstrate how to make a bowl of blessedness. I'll show you how to make chili, from gathering the ingredients to sautéing, to seasoning, to simmering, all the way to serving. First, you'll need to gather all of the ingredients. We'll need the following main ingredients, including 1 yellow chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and then we'll need 4 pounds of ground beef, and you'll need 1 2-quart bottle of tomato juice, and then you need 1 12-ounce can of tomato paste, and then you'll need 1 27-ounce can of chili beans. I get chili beans in mild sauce, and then you'll also need another 27-ounce can of kidney beans. And lastly, you'll need about a teaspoon of olive oil, and then we'll need to add the following spices. You'll need 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin, you'll need 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Alright, so now we're going to start off with our teaspoon of olive oil, and then we'll add our onions, which I have right here. Ooh. And then we'll add our tablespoon of garlic. And then we're ready to start sauteing. Alright, so now that we hear it starting to sizzle, and I have my little spatula here, we can stir it. And we only want to do this every once in a while so that we can let all the vegetables get nice and sauteed. Now that we're done sauteing the onions and garlic, it should look a little something like this. They should be all nice and brown and ready to go for the next step. So our next step is to brown our 4 pounds of hamburger. So we're going to put it into a larger pan, or a larger pot, I guess. Right. And you're going to want to set your stove top to about 6. And we're going to chop it up into smaller pieces so that it browns all the way around, and stir it until we don't see any more red. Okay, so now that we have our meat all browned, as you can see here, oh goodness, okay, and now we're going to add our sauteed onions and garlic. Alright, and then we're going to mix that all together. Upgrade to a larger pot for the next few steps. And now it's time for a fun fact. Did you know that Jesse James, an outlaw and desperado of the old American West, refused to rob a bank in McKinley, Texas, because that is where his favorite chili parlor was located, according to What's Cooking America? Alright, on to our next step. So now we're going to be adding our 2 quarts of tomato juice. And we'll just pour the whole thing in here. We're going to move on to our next step of adding the chili and kidney beans. As you see, I've already taken the liberty of opening them. And it's good to remember that with the chili beans, you can add the whole can, including all the juice, because it is a mild chili sauce. And then with the kidney beans, you're going to have to be sure that you drain the water out of them, because we just don't want it in here. So we can go ahead and dump those in. And then we're ready to stir and move on to the next step. Alright, at this point we're going to start to bring our temperature up to high. And we're going to start seasoning. Alright, and we're going to start with our 1 tablespoon of chili powder. And now we put that aside. Then we're going to move on to our 1 tablespoon of cumin. And now we can set that aside. Now we're going to move on to our 1 teaspoon seasoning. So the first thing we add a teaspoon of is our garlic salt. And then we can move on to our cayenne pepper. We're going to add a teaspoon of all the remaining ingredients. So here I have 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And then we're going to do 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And a teaspoon of salt. And last but not least, we're going to be adding a teaspoon of our brown sugar. Alright, now let's mix all the seasoning in. Right, now that we've added most of the main ingredients and seasoning to the chili, it's time to thicken the chili. We'll start by adding 1/12 can of tomato paste. Now that we've added the tomato paste to the chili, we can go on to the next step of thickening it up. We're going to need to bring it to a simmer. Alright, now that it's all done and dished up, it's time to serve it with crackers and cheese. Now that I've shown you how to make chili, you can make your own batch. Once you gather all the ingredients, you will need to saute the garlic and onions, brown the hamburger, add the tomato juice, chili beans, and kidney beans, and then add the tomato paste and let it simmer. So next time you need a warm and homemade dish to eat in the winter, remember my chili recipe. Thanks for watching!